If you're in A flat, off rip, you're throwing this dominant 7 in there, so that really gives you this scale. That's really a A flat Mixolydian run, or A flat Dorian. Dorian scale is a minor scale if you look at it. So that's why I'm calling it minor. But the Aeolian scale, or the regular minor scale, which we could borrow from that too, depending on you know, the moment that you in, because sometimes we might be in A flat major, and you will hear that, and then you will hear this. So now I went to an A flat minor. So it's a lot of different nuances to playing praise breaks, because we can go into this type of feel with the click track going. You would start on the 2, which is B flat minor, and then we're gonna go to C diminished 7. Then we're gonna go to the 4, which is D flat. Then we go up a half step to D diminished 7. Then over the 5, we're gonna play a 1, so we're gonna play A flat over E flat. Then an E diminished 7 to F minor. And then after F minor, we playing another diminished. We just gonna go back to this A, and then it resets us to do the progression all over again. So it'll sound like, it's a lick we're gonna do to get to this note though. So it's gonna sound like, so that takes us to, but we're gonna continue the lick after that. But that would be the chord if you didn't do the lick, but you would do. So you're throwing a C, B flat, A, C, F. So, and then ending it with E flat. So that's the run. And it takes us back to, and then back to that.